Consecutive frame images are a series of individual image frames that are captured in a sequence, with each frame representing a specific moment in time. Open the video in KM Player. Set the point in the video to take the consecutive frame images. Right-click in the KM Player. Go to the Capture. Frame Extract. Change or keep the default save folder. Setting the file name prefix is optional. Under Image Format, choose the image type. Image quality will be high. Choose between images or images with subtitles. Under Numbers to extract, select Continuous, Numbers, or Time Intervals. Set Frames Extract Preference, Every, Specific, or Time Bound. Specify frame image size. After everything is set, click Start. When the task is completed, click Close. To see the extracted frame images, right-click in the player, go to Capture. Click Open Capture folder.